morning. She's a bit tired today. The Super Bowl was a lot of fun. It was great to have friends over, just to chat and laugh, eat good food. It was wonderful. Tyler and I are planning a trip to California. We're going to be going to Malibu and Los Angeles. I've never been to Malibu. I've been to LA one time, and that was about 10 years ago. Yeah, 10 years ago. So I'm excited to go back. We're going to LA. We're going to Malibu. We're going to be in Malibu for 2 nights and LA for 1 night and then come home. Quick little getaway weekend for Tyler's birthday. Now, I am notorious for overpacking. I just like to make sure I have everything that I need whenever I go on a trip. What I'd like to do is plan out all my outfits, couple of extra things just in case, and just have fun with some clothing. I have some new pieces I really want to try on, and we're working with whatever is already in my closet. We do try to rewear what we can, maybe a little bit differently if possible. So let's play around with some clothes and see what we can find. First up, we have this little number. I want to see if this will work together. If you watched my thrifting video, I thrifted this cute little top at the Aurora Goodwill. I believe it was only $5.99. I really loved it. It's quite a bit oversized for me, but I loved the sheerness. I love polka dots. And it's by the brand Ups and Downs. And then I want to pair it, I want to put it underneath this cute little purple Target dress that I got a few months ago, I think back in October. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Can we please take a moment for how freaking cute this looks? And then I want to pair it with these tall black boots. I mean, please tell me not to wear this. Is she a 70s purple disco queen? Okay, we have option number 1. Next option is this vintage dress that I thrifted last year. I love this dress. It's so comfortable, so lightweight, and I just think it's so pretty. This pattern is amazing, so let's try it on. I love this dress. She's comfortable, she's flowy, she makes me feel like I'm 80s Princess Diana in Southampton. It's just so comfortable. I don't know if I can go to Malibu without this. Here's our next one. Now, if you haven't noticed, I love polka dots. I love florals. I love blue and purple, although Tyler seems to think this is navy blue. Should we start another, internet challenge? Is this purple or is this blue? What do you think? I don't know, but let's try it on. one of my favorites. It's just so comfy. It wasn't too expensive either. I've worn this to a wedding. I wore it when I went to New York. It's a great winter dress as well. I feel like it's really just a good all-around piece to have and could be fun for Malibu, maybe. I don't know. Okay, the final dress piece that I want to try on is this new bad boy that I just picked up at Target. I think it's so cute. I love how puffy the sleeves are. Ooh. I love how puffy the sleeves are. I love this as well. It's really like a good thick material, but still feels kind of light. So let's try her on. Are we not in love with this dress? She is so cute. I love it. Oh, it has pockets. Yeah. This is definitely coming to Malibu. Maybe LA. Either way, I'm taking pictures in it because it's just too cute not to. I love it. I love it. I love it. How can you not love it? Ooh. With the Dooney and Burke. Going to LA. Bye. Cheers. Just a quick little moment to hydrate. Yeah. This feels right. This with the LaCroix or sparkling water near the beach. I'm so ready. Okay. Next outfit. Let's do it. Oh, where's that bodysuit? Okay. I can't find the bodysuit, but I found this cute little top, so let's try that. That black top with these and this amazing jacket that I also just got at Target. I'm in love with it. I just think it's so cool. Let's see how it all works together. I love it. I love the jeans. Oh, there's no front pockets. I love the jeans. I think they look really cute. They fit fairly well, too. I just wish they were a little longer. I think this top works, but I'm still going to try to find my bodysuit by the time I leave. And then I think this jacket is great, especially like it might be kind of cold in Malibu or maybe even in LA at night. And I want to bring a jacket with me just to have a jacket. So this might be a good all-around jacket. I'm wearing a lot of blue and purple. So oh, I forgot. Blue and purple, right? So we got these sunglasses. And then I might do the black Coach bag. Or I don't know how much this works with the Dooney. I mean, I think the Dooney works with a lot of other things. I just think it's too bright for this outfit. Yeah. I think the black Coach. Or I have my purple fanny pack, which would go like crossbody. It's in a different room right now. So just to tie in like the purple and the glasses. And then I'm thinking my Air Force Ones as far as the shoes goes. And just some cute accessories. We're going to dress it up. Try to be very LA if we can. So, or at least LA my way. Okay, well, that's about all I have to try on for today. I'm still going to pack probably... Am I recording? Yeah. Oh, swimsuits. I can show you that. There will be a hot tub and pool where we're staying. So we've got this cute little swimsuit that I'm excited to wear. It's so cute. Other than that, I'll probably pack a hiking outfit, a airport plane outfit, which I will also need to figure out, and then pajamas, toiletries, all of the things that you need when you travel. I want to thank you for joining me today. A little reminder, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. Let me know, again, if you think a different combo would work better together, or if you have any suggestions of what you think might look cute for my Malibu trip. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.